Newton Osiemo alijiwasilisha katika tume ya KICC mwendo wa asubuhi saa 4 na kuhojiwa kwa masaa 6 kabla ya kukutana na wanahabari. Ila alidinda kunena nasi na kumwachia wakili wake Owino Opiyo mzigo huo.
I brought my client that you thought and all thought that she's not around on our own volition, having indicated we'll come today. We have been here since 10 o'clock and we are now leaving after having made a statement, and we stated our case in the statement. We wait to be contacted again.
Naye Maina Chege, mmiliki wa Naendrek, kampuni iliyouzia baraza la jiji ekari 120 huko Mavoko, anasisitiza hana hatia yoyote kwa kuuza shamba hilo kwa shilingi milioni 283.
To me, I'm a businessman. I was doing clean business. And out of that clean business, I intended to have a profit of 170 million Kenya shilling, 200,000, which today I say I don't have. I would ask, what's wrong in making a profit in a business? City Council are also going to make a profit double what they have paid for. They are also in business. I'm in business, City Council is in business, and they are going to make profit.
Matamshi ya Dr. Alfred Mutua, msemaji wa serikali, nayo aliashiria kuwa serikali inanuia kuharakisha kusikizwa kwa kesi za ufisadi.
Let's take for example the case involving the saga that has been going on about the cemetery that has covered out of news, or any other corruption case. If people are to be charged next week, it would mean that this being March, that before the end of June they would have been convicted.
Newton Osiemo anatarajiwa kuhojiwa tena na maafisa wa KICC wiki ijayo. Karondere, KTN leo.